Hello and welcome to SBC, SB Cinema.
Now I will show you how to modify a bulb like this to use less energy and last longer. This one has 9 watts, so it's already quite efficient. But now I have pre-opened it, so that's why it snaps open so easy. I will show you how to modify this main board to make it last longer and use less energy. Isn't that great? So, after opening the board, video how this is done is on my channel. We take our multimeter, put it in continuity test mode. That's the mode where it beeps. And take a look at these little resistors here. We see a 20. We see a 20. And if we test them now, we also see a 20. So we see they are in parallel. Unlike those ones here. And what we now have to do is pretty simple. We just have to remove one of those two resistors. I'm taking a screwdriver, but you could desolder it. So he's gone. And now we have limited the current that reaches the LEDs. It's half the current. And you see, this is the little resistor I have removed. And if we probe it now, it does show us 37. So it is gone up quite a bit. And you see, those pads are connected. So now we just have to reassemble it. There are little notches. If they fit in here, it snaps on and stays on. Nice, right? So the display is showing us how many watts it is drawing, and now let's plug it in. And you see, it is only drawing 4 watts. And as the LEDs now are getting just half the current, they run way cooler and will last, yeah, like forever. So, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed it and it was helpful, well, then leave it a like, subscribe, and write a comment. But this hack unfortunately doesn't work with all types of LED bulbs or bulbs in general, and therefore I will do some more videos in which I show you how to make a 0 watt light bulb. Yeah, a light bulb that draws less than 1 milliwatt of current. And I will also show you how to increase the efficiency or increase the lifespan of an incandescent light bulb.